Taiwan makes 92% of the world's advanced semiconductors, and nobody planned it that way. The incentives were brutal and obvious. After Japan's chip industry boomed in the 1980s, Taiwan's government saw an opening: be cheaper, faster, and willing to specialize in manufacturing while others designed. By the 1990s, Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, TSMC, had figured out something nobody else had. You could make more money running a factory for other people's designs than owning the designs yourself. No brand risk, no inventory, pure operational excellence at scale. Everyone else thought they were leaving money on the table. They were wrong about the money. So how did one island become the single point of failure for global electronics? Geography helped, but geography doesn't explain why South Korea didn't dominate instead. The real answer: policy choices. Taiwan offered tax incentives, educated engineers, and a government that protected chipmakers from political interference. Samsung and SK Hynix in Korea went vertical. They wanted to own everything. TSMC went horizontal. One strategy looked smarter on a spreadsheet, the other one created an empire. Then came the dominoes. Apple needed chips. Nvidia needed chips. Every car maker, every smartphone company, every data center on Earth needed chips. And they all funneled their orders through Taiwan. By 2020, TSMC was running at capacity, making processors for everyone from Microsoft to Tesla. When COVID hit the supply chain in 2021, the entire global economy felt it. Cars couldn't ship, gaming consoles vanished. Hospitals waited for diagnostic equipment. One factory's delay became everyone's problem. But the real vulnerability isn't just concentration, it's geopolitics. Taiwan and China have an unresolved relationship. The US has treaty obligations to Taiwan. China views chip independence as a national security issue and has poured hundreds of billions into domestic fabs. Meanwhile, the US is trying to reshore chip manufacturing, spending billions to build plants domestically. Everyone's incentive is to diversify away from Taiwan. Nobody can afford to yet. Here's what makes this a geopolitical time bomb. It takes 3-5 years to build a leading-edge fab. It costs $20 billion. You need Dutch lithography machines that are the only ones precise enough. And even then, TSMC institutional knowledge, the actual people who know how to run this, can't be replicated by policy. Diversification is necessary. It's also slow, expensive, and probably won't work fast enough if something actually breaks. So the system persists in a state of managed fragility. Companies diversify slowly Governments subsidize new fabs expensively TSMC remains the crown jewel because it's still the best. And every government on Earth has Taiwan supply lines circled in red on a classified map somewhere. Nobody in this story is stupid. Look at what they were paid to see. The incentive structure created the vulnerability. Fixing it means someone pays to destroy their own competitive advantage. The answer to why one island controls the world's chip supply is simple: because everyone else made rational decisions that led to irrational outcomes. Specialization created efficiency. Efficiency created dependency. And dependency created a geopolitical fault line that nobody knows how to cross without breaking something expensive. The system works perfectly until it doesn't. This video is for educational and informational purposes only and is not financial advice. Always do your own research. Subscribe for weekly breakdowns of the hidden incentive structures reshaping global power, because geopolitics isn't random, it's just expensive. This video is for educational and informational purposes only and is not financial advice. Always do your own research.